Welcome back. We were discussing mineral resources, India, natural resources for social science class 4. Mineral resources, India, social science for class 4. Non-metallic minerals. All minerals that do not contain any metals are called non-metallic minerals and they are source of energy. Metal is not there in the mineral ore. Such minerals are called non-metallic minerals and are source of energy. Natural gas are major non-metallic minerals, so known as fossil fuel. They are formed from dead remains of the plants and animals that got buried in the earth over millions of years ago. Coal is a major source of heat energy. It is mainly used for heating, cooking, producing electricity in the form of thermal power plant. It is found in West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. So natural gas is a non-metallic mineral. Oil is known as a fossil fuel because they are formed from dead animals and plants that got buried in earth over millions of years ago. So when plant and animals were buried millions of years ago under the earth, they become oil or natural gas. We extract oil from the oil wells. Coal is a major source of heat energy. It is mainly used for heating, cooking at home or producing electricity in a thermal power plant. Producing electricity from a thermal power plant. West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh are sources of coal. West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh are sources of coal. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals in whose ore metals are not found, and these minerals are source of energy production. Mineral resources, petroleum and crude oil. This is got from the earth or the seabed. Oil wells are dug to pump out crude oil, dark greenish brown liquid. Crude oil is dark greenish brown liquid. Refineries process it into petrol, diesel, kerosene and gas. Refineries process the crude oil into petrol, diesel, kerosene and gas. These are a source of power and is used for running cars, buses, ships, aeroplanes and machines. The oil is a source of power and is used to run buses, ships, aeroplanes and machines. Oil fields are located in Digboi in Assam, Ankleshwar in Gujarat, and the coast of Mumbai, deep under the seabed known as Bombay High. Gases are found in oil wells also. Petroleum and crude oil are got from under the earth or the seabed. Oil wells are dug to pump out the crude oil. Crude oil is a dark greenish brown liquid. Refineries process these into petrol, diesel, kerosene or gas. The oil is a source of power and is used for running cars, buses, ships, aeroplanes and machines. Oil fields are located in Digboi in Assam or Ankleshwar in Gujarat or off the Mumbai coast deep under the seabed known as Bombay High. Gases are also found in oil wells. Examples of gases are liquid petroleum gas or compressed natural gas. Both for domestic as well as industrial purposes, CNG is becoming popular today to run vehicles in big cities. Gases are used both for domestic as well as industrial purposes. CNG is becoming popular today for running vehicles in big cities. Delhi because it is less polluted. Delhi is using CNG full and full because it is less polluted. Minerals are found for commercial use under the. So to recap, minerals are available in sufficient quantity in the country. Quantity of the minerals is limited in the world. For generation of mineral, nature takes millions of years because these are dead plants and animals buried deep into the earth. Hence they easily get exhausted and so they are called non-renewable sources of energy. We should save the precious natural wealth. We should choose to use alternative sources of energy like sun, wind and water. We should control the overuse of the mineral resources and help them last longer. Pure means unprocessed. Crude means natural. Durable means long-lasting. Extracted means obtained. Non-renewable means that cannot be got again and again. Petrol means or is known as liquid gold because of the high price and the demand and value. Expensive and scarce. Kolar gold mines in Karnataka is the source of gold ores in India. So Kolar gold field is a source of gold ores. Petrol is known as liquid gold because it is expensive and scarce. Mineral resources are plenty in India but is exhausted, will get exhausted because at worldwide it is limited. Nature takes a long time to make these mineral ores, so we have to use them properly and carefully. Both for domestic as well as industrial purposes, LPG used to use liquid petroleum gas. CNG, compressed natural gas, is becoming popular to run vehicles in cities like Delhi. Petroleum and crude oil are got from the seabed, from the oil wells dug deep and pumped out. Crude oil is a dark greenish brown liquid. Refineries process it into petrol, diesel, kerosene, and gas. They are source of power used to run buses, ships, aeroplanes, and machinery. Oil fields are located in Digboy in Assam, Ankleshwar in Gujarat, and off the Mumbai coast called Bombay High. Non-metallic minerals. Natural gas are major non-metallic mineral. Oil is known as fossil fuel because they are formed from dead animals and plants that got buried in earth over millions of years ago. Coal is a major source of heat energy. It is mainly used for heating and cooking, but the thermal power plant use coal to make electricity. Coal is found in plenty in West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Madhya Pradesh. Thanks for watching this video.